Let's say you just jumped into a 2026 Model Y and you're not really sure how anything works, or you have some questions and you want to just get up to speed really quick. What you could do, you'll have the screen on automatically when you get in, but you can press this car icon button and then come over to this roll down one here. We have one under service. Press service right there. And then go over to this one that says onboarding guide. That's going to be a really good guide to help you. Press that. It says explore your model. So you can go to this onboarding guide. You press that. It says explore your Model Y. Press start. It takes about 10 minutes if you go through the whole thing. And look at that. That's great. You can adjust your seat position. It shows you how to do the controls. And when you're done with getting your seat right, press that. Shows you on how to adjust your mirrors for your left and right using this button. Click on that one. Shows you how to adjust your steering wheel. Your steering wheel can come back and forth and up and down to fit you. And again, you're going to be using this one. Press that. And that's just going to show you kind of a layout of your screen. Settings, cabin temperature, just to get you more familiar with it. Press that one. That's going to show you about how to use the navigation, how to find charging locations, and how to set your driver profile. So it's got the whole thing, you guys. Anything you're curious about, this guide will walk you through it, make it really easy. Thanks so much for watching our video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy, very similar, dealing with appliance repair. So thanks again for watching our video.